Girl Bella.
Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing some unboxing of some PR that your girl was able to get her hands on. So you know, as I always do babes, I always share with you what I receive in PR. So let's get to it. The first thing that I received is from Exponent Beauty, and this is their discovery set. This is self-activating serums that you can use for morning. There's one for night, and there's one that you can use anytime you want. These are doses that you can use to boost your skin's appearance, because the serums come in a powder form that you then add a drop of liquid to it and it becomes a serum. So you can kind of customize and be your own like little esthetician. So I am so excited to be sharing this with you. Like I said, there are 9 doses in total, along with the hyaluronic acid hydrator, which is the tool that you would use to turn the powders to liquid. So it comes like this, and the 3 doses at the top are the Brightening Boost Vitamin C. The 3 on the middle are the Time Rewind Retinol, so those you use at night. And then the 3 at the bottom are the Firming Filter COQ10. And that you can use any time. And then this here is the Hyaluronic Acid Hydrator, which you would use with any of these. What makes this serum different from things that you would normally buy in the store already pre-mixed is that the active ingredients that are in the pre-mixed skincare degrade fast. But because these are in powdered form that you then activate with the hyaluronic that's already in liquid form, it will last longer. This Exponent system protects and activates for peak performance and dramatic results. The fragile ingredients in the active powder is preserved in their most potent state, and then the hyaluronic hydrator activates the powders into effective serums. And then the freshly dosed serums are then applied to your skin for powerful results. So I cannot wait to do this with you. You know I'm going to do this with you, babes. So if you are ready to become a master mixologist like me, stay tuned for that. And also stay tuned because I might even have a little discount for you so you can get it yourself. The next thing I got was from Dermalic Cosmetics. This is the Patchouli Flawless Treatment. It is, let's see, it comes in this beautiful packaging, and it came along with a tool to use it with. So let's read about this because I have never tried Patchouli, and so let's see what it does. So it says to achieve the smooth, luminous results of a retinoid without the redness, irritation, and downtime. Featuring retinol alternative Patchouli and a powerful blend of antioxidant-rich plant source ingredients, this weightless phyto cream envelops the skin in a cashmere blanket. Ooh, I like that. Cashmere blanket of luxury while targeting the visible signs of aging. It provides youth-boosting results to counteract the look of fine lines, wrinkles, photo aging, and pollution. It soothes and softens the look of chapped, stressed skin. It's sunshine approved, safe for use during the day. So that's the major difference between this and a retinoid, is that with retinol, you need to use it at night because it counteracts with the sun if you use it during the day. And it is specifically formulated for sensitive skin. So my sensitive skin babes, you can use this without irritation and redness. That's really cool. All right, so we will be using that in a future video. And lastly, from Pure and the team at Beauty Tap, for which I am a Beauty Tap advisor, if you want a one-on-one with BrownGirlBella, please use my Beauty Tap link in the description box to book an appointment with me, and we can have a free one-on-one consultation about your specific skincare needs, okay? All right, so this is from my friends at Pure, and they sent me a whole line of their products. This is the Pure Forever Cream. This is a gentle cleanser. And let's see how it looks in the box. Oh, very nice, right? I love that. I have the Pure Rescue C. This is the brightening vitamin C and peptide eye cream. So here is the Pure Rescue C eye cream. More stuff. This is the Pure Cretin Boost. This is an age-defying retinol cream. Age-defying retinol cream. That's what it is. Sorry. Need to drink some water. My mouth is dry. Let's open up the retinol cream. Okay, same packaging. This is the retinol cream. This is the Pure Hydro Glow Daily. This is a moisturizing niacinamide mineral sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF 30. Can never have enough sunscreen. It's light to the touch, super lightweight formula, leaves the skin hydrated and protected, can be layered under makeup for a dewy, healthy looking glow. Oh, nice. With niacinamide, aloe, and zinc oxide. So it will make me look like Blue Man Group. So I definitely will need to wear it with my makeup. But, okay. We will try it. And lastly, I have the Pure Tropical C. This is the brightening vitamin C and peptide moisturizer. Okay, so we have everything. We have serums, we have under eye, we have sunscreen, and we have moisturizer as well as cleanser. Okay, I love it. The packaging looks fantastic. The ingredients sound amazing. So I definitely will be trying this. I actually need to try it pretty soon because I need to share the results. So I definitely will be using this in a future skincare regime. This will probably be my new regime for the next couple of weeks. So once I finish with the Pure, because I actually need to do this first and do that skincare, then I'm going to use the Bachuccio cream from Derma Select and then the Exponent Beauty as well. So I will use those two together, but I'm going to use Pure first exclusively. And then the last thing that I also got in PR was also from Beauty Tap. Thank you, Beauty Tap. As well as cosmetics. And this is a zinc defense. This is a mineral sunscreen as well with SPF 50 broad spectrum, so it will, you know, because it has zinc oxide, it will turn my skin a little grayish, but I can use that underneath my makeup. So whenever I wear makeup, I put, you know, a mineral sunscreen on, let it sit for a while, and then I will put my makeup on and continue on with my makeup regimen, knowing that, you know, I'll have to put something on. So that is everything that I got in PR. And then I did also receive the new Pat McGrath. I got the Luxe Eyeshadow Quad in Passion Fleur. And I got 2 of the new the new cheek blushes, the cream blushes, stick blushes. I got the shade Paradise Peony, and I got the shade Sunkissed Seduction, which I'm really excited about. So I will be trying that, as well as the new highlighter stick in Cyber Lotus. That is the highlighter stick. So I will be trying all of these on Monday for our Mondays Weemograph. So I definitely will be trying all of this, as well as a couple of other things that I got from Pat McGrath that I don't think I shared on the channel yet, so definitely want to bring those to you. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Yes, you did. Good. Give it a thumbs up and let everybody know that you enjoyed it by sharing this video out. Also, don't forget, if you are new and you like what I do, hit that subscribe button and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload or go live. And until we meet again, you have now been Bellified. Bye, babes.